Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Wahab Kabir Babatunde. This video is a short tutorial on how to use school fees collection manager. The objective of this template is to automate the school fees collection management. The benefits of this template: it saves times, it improves transparency, it improves quality and consistency, it improves operational efficiency, it reduces costs, it makes better forecast and projections, it increases accountability, it eliminates paper-based processes, it improves standardization and cleaner data, it is reliable, and it minimizes error.
Features of school fees collection manager. It is made with Excel app. It's offline operation and it's one-time payment. It has three interfaces. The database interface, this is database interface. It has dashboard. This is a dashboard interface. This is our dashboard interface. It also has the summary interface. This is the summary interface. These are summary. On the database interface, we have a student details. You can see this is the class, the name, and we also have a bill interface, bill section on the database. You can see this is the bill by the school. Previous balance, current fees, schedule, transparent, uniform, and so on. We also have payments. This is the total fees. Everything will be automated. So we also have a payment section on the database. So and we have divided the payment onto the five installments. You can see the payments and the date. First payment up to the fifth payment. You can see. So this is total paid. We also have a balance and the percentage paid. We also have KPI for the school fees management. KPI, this is a key performance indicator. This percentage paid and the percentage balance. You see everything specifically. So on the summary section, that one, so on the summary section, it has summarized the payment history of every classes. You can see this is DS1, number of students will give you, previous balance will give you the total, everything. You can see this is exam total. So that's the summary page. We also have a dashboard page. This one is very fantastic. This one is a graphical analysis of the school fees collection management. So you can see this is basic 1A, and we this payment history of Abdullah Mustafa. So you can see total fees is 18,000 naira. 18,000 naira. The total fee is 18,000 naira. Total paid is 8,000 naira. The balance is 10,000 naira. So how many passengers he paid? This is 44%. This is a class percentage paid. So you can see everything at a glance. How to use school fees collection manager. Duplicate the file. We are working on the Great Academy. So let's duplicate it. Click on it and press Ctrl C and paste it here. Ctrl V to paste it. So let's say that we are working on second term, second term, second term. This is the collection manager for second term. You open it by double click it. So if you want to do for the next session, you open for the next time. That's how you duplicate it as well and name it accordingly. So our work, let's start it from that database page. So this is school name. You cannot change anything there. School collection manager. So let's change our session, maybe 2024 plus 2025 session. So 10, we are in second term, second term. second term. So that's second term. So the database, we have done in such a way that we have divided all the template into different classes. You can see this play group one, group A, group play group A. So it's after group A, play group A that we can have access to play group B up to the last class. So and you enter the name of learners according to their classes. So now you enter the name and you enter the name here. You delete all the names here. All these names are here just to guide you. So we also have a B section, school B section. We have period, balance, current, and the rest. We also have discount, and everything will be automatically added to give you total fees. So if you don't like, if you want another another heading for the bill, you can change it here. You can change it to any other one you want. You can see you can change it. You can change it to any bill you want. So and this is, it will give you total bill automatically. So we also have a payment section on the database as well. The payment section starts from here. We have divided into 5 installments. That's payment and the date, first up to the fifth payment. And see. So the fifth payment and the total paid will be given you automatically, and you cannot add it, you cannot enter anything there. So it's automated, and the balance is also automated. You don't have anything to enter there. So we also have a percentage paid. It will give you automatically. Look at it. If a learner is owing, it will give you red highlight with the percentage paid. That's 66%. If a learner has completed his payment, it gives you 100%. So if he has not paid, if you don't have any name there, so it will give you something like that. So that's how to now. And this one, this survey is a KPI, key performance indicator. This percentage paid, and this is percentage. This is percentage balance the school is expecting. So and if you are searching for a learner name, you can enter the name. Assume that you are looking for Alabi Alabi Said, Alabi Alabi Said Said. It is highlighted automatically. You can see now it has been highlighted automatically. That's how to now assuming that you want to go to a particular class, you can use your filter. So assuming that you are going to basic one, you just click on it. If you go to this, it takes you to basic one only without any other classes. And you can do whatever you want to do there. When you are done, just click this funnel with a red cross. Click on it to return you back to the normal interface. So that's how to use then database interface. Let's go to summary. Let's go to summary page. Let's go to summary page. Let's go now on the summary page. So you can see now this is GSS1. So it gives you the summary performance of the GSS of different class, their performance. So and all the you can get their total here, their total here, their total here. That's how to use. You are not doing any work here. So it's only when you enter a new information on database, it will not it will not be automatically updated. You can refresh it by right click, right click inside this table and click on refresh. By click on refresh. If you don't refresh it, if you close this app and reopen it the other day, it will automatically be refreshed by itself. Now that's how to use that's how to use a summary page. On the dashboard, you don't have much work to do on the dashboard except to check the graphical analysis, the graphical performance of every learner that you are desired to check. Let's say you want to check for this one is for Abdullah Mustafa. You want to check he is in basic one. So you want to check for Karim Rodia. She is in basic one A as well. Just click on it. If you can see now, it has turned into now the total fee is 15,000 naira. How much? So that's he has already paid all the money. So and the balance is zero. How much has he paid? Percentage has he has paid 100%. So this one will give you the class percentage payment information. So that's how to use to fees collection manager.
If you are a school owner or administrator who want to take charge of your fees management and eliminate financial stress, this is the tool you have been waiting for. To order your school fees collection manager automated Excel template, simply send us a WhatsApp message at 070 655 73705. Remember, it's one-time payment, no subscription, works 100% offline, and even helps with financial forecasting. Don't forget to subscribe our Technology for Educators YouTube channel for more powerful data tips. Like and share this video with other school owners and educators. And drop your comment below. I would love to hear from your thoughts.